Orca. Here, they have learned to do something hardly ever seen. To hunt seals on dry land. Scientists have named her Jasmine. She is the matriarch responsible for a family of growing adolescents. The teenagers need to start earning their keep. The orca students might be eager to get started, but no one is quite sure what to do. They need to learn the trick, how to actually reach the seals. Under Jasmine's supervision, the students launch themselves onto shore, each time edging a little higher. Next, target practice. Now to try the real thing. Close. Not close enough. There is just one more skill to master. How to conceal that giant dorsal fin. Turning on her side, Jasmine demonstrates just how. Every hunt needs an element of surprise. And for now, it's time to celebrate.